God, I've forgotten so much. I've forgotten so much. I'm very sorry.
Oh, it's okay. What have you forgotten?
I've forgotten what I used to do after I became a young lady. I've forgotten so much. I can't remember. I've been here 90 years. And if I could remember, I would tell you, but I can't remember.
I want to try an experiment.
What?
I want you to try and let the music take you back into your memories, to travel back into time. And then we'll stop and you can tell me where it took you.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. That's Louis Armstrong.
Yes, I want to be in that number. I went to sing.
Wow. Oh, he's singing When the Saints Go By, marching by. And it takes me back to my school days.
I would like to hit the number.
Mama told us not to go listen to him. We would sneak off at night, bring back pictures from the dance. And I worked in Kings County 9 years, the E building in Kings County. My birthday, November 20th, 19. That was in the wartime. I was working at Fort Jackson, and my son, on February the 4th, was 69. I didn't know I could talk so much.